So hi! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano nga ba mag-register ng UNLI50 sa ating Globe SIM. But first, kindly subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And if also learn more, keep on watching and let's start. So ayan guys, for today's video mula sa ating mobile device, pumunta lang tayo sa dial ng ating phone. And then dito guys, dial lang natin is *143 number sign or hashtag, and then call. And then dito guys, pagka-open, piliin lang natin yung all net, which is yung number 9. So type natin guys yung number 9 and then send. So ayan guys, dito hanapin na natin yung UNLI50. So nasa number 3 siya, kaya ang ita-type natin is number 3. And then send. And ayan guys, sabi dito, kapag daw nag-register tayo ng UNLI50, makakakuha tayo ng unli calls and text to all networks. Plus 500 megabytes na data for all sites. Valid na yan siya guys for 3 days for only 50 pesos. So para ma-subscribe or ma-register, type natin yung number 1 and then send. So ayun lang guys, ganun lang kasimple kung paano nga ba mag-register ng UNLI50 sa ating Globe SIM. If you have a question, comment down below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And thank you for watching!
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay.